Create videos, images, video games, apps, even your own assistant, completely free and unlimited. You'll never have to pay to use an AI again. The tool we're going to look at today spent years in the shadows, getting outperformed by basically every model on the market, but with its new update, it crushes the best paid AIs in the rankings and lets us use it with no limits, without paying subscriptions. And the best part is, we can do it right now if we set it up the right way. It brings a ton of new features. Look, I gave it a photo of my fridge and told it I want to lose weight. It analyzed the image and gave me this result where, in real time, it tells me what foods it recommends I eat and which ones I shouldn't. So in today's video, I'm going to show you its 10 main features so you can get 100% of its power and never fall for AI scams again. If you already know this tool, you need to see everything that has changed. We're going to go into the new Muse Spark model in Meta AI. I'm leaving the direct link on my free website in the description. At the end of the video, I'll show you how. Once we're inside, we'll have to sign up. You'll see it's very easy. Now let's look at its best uses. In a minute, I'll show you how we generate videos and images, because we need to follow a method so it doesn't cause problems, but its new features are incredible. We're going to go into new chat. I recommend that if you want the best results, you always turn on thinking mode. You'll see that even with that on, it still generates very quickly. If we upload an image of this car and ask it with a prompt to explain each part, point out what it's for, and show us how to start it, look at the result it gives us. It analyzed every part of the car and identified and pointed to them perfectly. On top of that, it gave us a step-by-step tutorial so we can start it with no problem. If you want more free AIs like this, remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a positive comment. Thanks. This has hundreds more uses. We can upload a photo of our fridge like before, but this time, ask it to point out the ingredients we need to make a recipe and tell us the steps. We can upload multiple images at once. I asked it to tell me the differences between these two images so I could fix the second one and make it look more like the first. This is really interesting. Look at how it creates a response by analyzing both images and telling us what we need to change. But the important thing here is that it has memory. We can ask it to make changes or add things without having to redo everything from scratch. All the prompts we're going to use today are also on my website in the description. We've seen how it analyzes images, but one of its strongest points is creating full apps. We only need one prompt. The more details it has, the more complete our app will be. And when we send it, it won't give us code that we might not know how to use like a lot of AIs do. It will build the app so we can use it in real time. We can go through its menus, save our information, and if we want to access it offline, we can download it, and whenever we want to open it, we just open this file. Any idea you have, whether it's to use it yourself or to build an app for a company, this option is really useful. But if I'm being honest, my favorite option is its ability to create video games. Just like before, we can give it a detailed prompt and the results will be perfect. Look at this example. I didn't ask for a simple spaceship game. I asked for one with a super complete upgrade system where, as we keep playing, it gives us coins that we can use to buy rewards so we can get farther and farther each time. There are different enemies, levels, upgrades, all of this with a single prompt. And just like before, we can download it to play offline or click this option to play in full screen. Before we look at how to create images and videos, let me also recommend that you use it as your assistant. If you study or work, I'm sure you've received an image of a whiteboard full of notes, or a document someone asked you to pull the important parts from. Well, it's also very good at analyzing information. Upload any file you have, a PDF, an image, whatever, and ask it to help you, to summarize it so you can present it better at work, or to solve that class exercise you haven't been able to figure out. Now let's create the images and videos. To do that, I'm bringing you two ways. The first one will be outside of Meta, but it will have much higher quality, letting us generate things like this. We'll be able to do it inside Higgsfield. On this platform, we'll have in one place some of the best image, video, and audio models, letting us do things without having to pay for several subscriptions, like creating images with Nano Banana 2 by choosing the aspect ratio, the quality, and how many results we want per prompt. But the best part is that we can use one of the most powerful video models out there right now, Seedance 2.0. With it, we only need to add a prompt, and it will give us videos that look like actual movies. Look at every detail. We can fine-tune the prompt even more to ask for multiple camera changes, and if we then hit generate, they'll be applied perfectly to the video. Look at the shot changes. All of this in up to 15 seconds per video, and in whatever format we want. On top of that, we'll also be able to describe how we want the sound of our video to be. Listen to how it sounds. It also includes an option for us to upload images and have it turn them into video while keeping everything we added. If you want to try it, I'm going to leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. If, on the other hand, we want to keep generating images and video in Meta, we can do that with no problem. First, for images, we're going to go to the Create Image section. Here, we just have to add our prompt and choose the aspect ratio. I want it horizontal. If we send it, we'll see that it gives us 4 pretty good images, so we can choose the one we like most. If we click on it, we'll have several options. We can apply one of the restyles available here so all our images keep the same style. Or we can do things like add a prompt in Edit Image and ask it to change things in the image without having to remake it from scratch. We can also upload our own images and ask it to edit them with no problem. Now, to generate videos, we have to be careful. If we want them to be horizontal, you need to use this setup. If we want to generate, we go to the Create a Video section. If we add a prompt and send it, what it's always going to give us are vertical results, which are pretty good, but we don't have any option here to make them horizontal. So what we're going to do is first go to the Image section, and here we're going to make sure we select that we want the image in 16:9, which is horizontal. And once it's generated, we can turn it into video in 2 ways. First, we click Custom Animate and add a prompt to explain specifically what we want to happen in the video. Or, on the other hand, we can click Animate, so the AI analyzes it and gives it the animation it thinks fits best. One option I really like in this tool is the Vibes section. Here, we'll find a ton of videos of all kinds. As you can see, the quality is incredible. On top of that, we can click on the ones that catch our attention and copy the prompt they were made with so we can use it ourselves and change whatever we need. Now, like I promised at the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you how to get the free PDFs with all the information from today's video. Just go to my website with the link in the description, and we're going to click Free PDF. Once we're here, all we have to do is select the video we want the PDF from, click this button, and we'll have it downloaded. But there are also a lot of free options here that I'm sure you're going to be interested in. For example, we have a catalog that we keep expanding with free AIs that you can use from our website online and at no cost. We also have our own AI tools directory, where in one place you have grouped together, updated day by day, the best AIs for generating each thing for free. On top of that, you can see how the community rates them to help you choose better. We're also launching our new blog, where you'll find updated news about new free AI content. And this is only going to keep growing. If you want to stay up to date with the world of artificial intelligence for free, I recommend that you check out this website. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.